Acha. So let's explore Google Cloud hands-on labs. Um, okay, let's just explore. I haven't done that before, so this is the first time I'm exploring this. So let's see what it has inside. So this is Google Cloud self-paced labs. Here we can see an overview and in this introductory level lab, you take your first step with Google Cloud by getting hands-on practice with the Cloud Console and in-browser UI that lets you access and manage Google Cloud services. Okay, so here are some objectives that says you'll learn how to perform the following tasks: access the Cloud Console, view various Google Cloud projects, use Google Cloud Console navigation menu, and basic roles and use the Cloud IAM service to inspect actions available. Okay, okay. Here are some prerequisites that says it at the introductory level lab, and the first lab you should take if you are unfamiliar with Google Cloud. Okay, we will see this later. Okay. um okay. Lab fundamentals, feature and components. Regardless of topic or expertise level, all labs share a common interface. Okay, it it is given as just an example. Okay, so we gotta hit the start lab button, and which will create a temporary Google Cloud environment basically. Okay. Okay, credit price of a lab. Okay, one credit is equivalent to $1. Okay, there is specific time score. Okay, paying for a lab. Some labs are free. Okay, reading, test your understanding. Okay, it's later. Okay, task 1. So task 1 হচ্ছে access the cloud console. So start the lab. Now you understand the key features and the components of a lab. Click start lab. Okay, it may take a moment for the Google Cloud environment and credential to spin up. Okay, now acha, do not uh acha টাস্ক কমপ্লিট না করে হচ্ছে এন্ড ল্যাব ক্লিক করতে না করছে। ওকে, সো if you want to open go to also button credentials. Oh my god, do I have this? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, this button opens the cloud console. uh, okay, this identity has access permissions, leave to work with. Okay, resources. Okay. It often. Okay. Do I have this? Mm, is this click open? Okay. Open Google Cloud Console. Uh, uh, do I have this? Domain name. Okay. Lab details pane. Okay, acha, let's see. Let's see. Okay, I'm hitting the start lab. Okay, this is my student ID, passwords, and project ID. Okay, basically I was given with some of the project ID and stuffs. So just like this. Okay, so next what I have to do is these are some okay multiple question improves understanding. Okay, this builds a temporary environment. Start lab. Okay, this is correct. Okay, when the time reaches to 0, 0, you lose access to temporary Google. True. Okay. Next, some labs have tracking, which scores your comprehension. Okay, true. Submit. Okay, in order to receive complete for a lab that has tracking, you must complete required hands-on lab activities. Okay, true. Okay, access the cloud console. Start the now under features of click start lab. We have already clicked start lab. Um, okay. Do not click. Okay. So now the lab is running. Refer to the lab details pane on the left. I don't see any lab details. Google Cloud Console. Okay, yeah, I've got that. Okay. Open Google Cloud. Each of now examine each of this open Google Cloud Console. Okay, let's open this. Okay, I've opened this. Consider development hub for Google Cloud. You do the majority of your work. Okay. Username and password. This credential represent an identity. Uh, Cloud IAM service. Okay. Project ID. Okay. Sign in to open Google Cloud Console. This opens the Google sign in page for a browser tab. Okay. Um. So this is the thing. I'm actually really confused. What would I have to do actually? Probably get started for free. Okay. Uh, 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 okay. I'm going to giving switch account. I gotta add another account from I guess I got that here. Okay, let me just see. Wait. Okay, so basically that student ID and password that they had given us, so we just have to log in with that. Now I'm pressing next. Okay. Hopefully, okay. So now I understand. Hopefully, we're going to hop into the real field now. Free trial. Ah, damn, I can't. Hold up. Sign in. Okay. Now, okay. So this is opened as separate uh, agree and continue. Let's see. I don't know what to do now. No idea. Create our project to start using. Uh, okay, what to do actually now? Man, this is so okay. Uh, and how for redo the majority? Acha. I have already given the username and passwords. Is it of okay, sign into okay, I have signed in. Yeah, Okay. Make sure to use email sign in. Okay, have signed in. Password done. Done. Okay. Answer the following. Oh, it is not found in the system admin. So, okay. The username in the which resembles student is a probably true. Okay, now that you have signed in to the cloud console and understand the basics of your credentials, it's time to learn a little bit. Okay. Um, Now we are going to learn about the projects, um, Google Cloud projects. Okay. Task 2 is view projects in the cloud console. Okay. Section about Google Cloud projects were explained in the section about the contents of the lab details pane. Here's the definition once again. Acha. So Google Cloud project is basically an organizing entity for your Google Cloud resources. Okay, acha. It often contains resources and services. Okay. The upper left contains the labeled project info. Okay. Go to project settings. How am I going to okay, let's see. Oh, this is really confusing. Okay. Your project has a name, number, and ID. Acha, view all projects. Do I have anything named view all projects? Okay. Probably I don't have create or select project learn. I am really confused right now. Okay, let's explore together. View all projects. Okay, in this tab you actually have. Okay, where do I have this tab? Uh, card level project info. Acha, let's click it. Click on it. Okay, projects that use okay, project name which you provide a project ID. Okay, project number. Okay, acha. So example project is the project name, project ID থাকবে একটা and project number থাকবে একটা. Each project ID is unique. And after you have created a project, you can delete the project, but its ID can never be used again. Okay. Um, this is really confusing. Okay, view all projects. Select a project. Okay, let's click on it. Select a project and dialog and click all. Okay, clicking all here. It's already selected. The resulting list of projects includes a Quick Labs resources project. Okay, I have all the resources here. Now, acha, do not switch over to the resources project at this point. However, you may need to use it in other labs. Okay. It is not uncommon for large enterprises or experienced users of Google Cloud to have dozens or to thousands of Google Cloud projects. Okay. Hmm. So, good method for organizing services হচ্ছে by team or project. Okay. The Quick Labs resources project contains file থাকবে, datasets থাকবে, and machine images for certain labs and can be accessed from every Google Cloud Lab environment. That's so cool. Okay. It's important to note that Quick Lab resources, that all the resources that is given is shared read only, which means I can only read. Okay. I cannot delete it nor I can modify it. Okay. So the Google Cloud project that you are working with is temporary. Of course, it will be temporary. Okay. Which means that the project and everything it contains gets deleted when the lab ends. So ল্যাবটা শেষ হয়ে গেলে আমার সবকিছু delete হয়ে যাবে. Okay. So click cancel to return to the cloud overview page. Okay. Now testing my understanding. An organizing entity for anything you build with Google Cloud, probably. Never mind. Okay. Quick Labs resources is shared, read only. True. Okay. Acha, basically they're checking if I have understood them or not. Is the project where you run all of your lab steps? True. Oh, it is false. Okay, it will be false. It's not. So we cannot run all the lab steps. Okay. Navigation menu and services. Let's cancel. Okay. This is my navigation menu, and click this icon, open or hides. Okay, that provide quick access to Google Cloud's core services. Which there I am clicking on navigation menu, and all the services are here like API, billing, IAM, marketplace, Vertex, AI, Kubernetes engine. Okay, then okay, click view all products. Acha, view all products. Where is it? AJ. View all products. Okay. Then scroll through the categories of tools and services. Okay. So these are the categories like management, compute, storage, analytics. Okay. Networking, distributed cloud, serverless databases. Okay, a lot of things here. Okay. Um, Acha, you can refer to the Google Cloud Products Overview page for documentation that covers each of these categories in more details. Okay, so let's see what is this. What is it? Google Cloud Console. Okay. Um, these are the Google Cloud products, AI and ML platform, virtual machines, blah blah blah, lot of things. Okay, we'll explore it later. Now let's see. This is my what? Oops, sorry. Uh, okay. Now my task 3 is review and modify roles and permission. Okay, so in addition to cloud computing services, Google Cloud also contains a collection of permissions and roles that define who has access to what resources. Okay, so you can use Cloud IAM, Identity and Access Management service, to inspect and modify roles and permissions. Okay, so these are my roles and permissions. I can view. So on the navigation menu, click IAM and admin. So this is my navigation menu, and this is the IAM and admin. Okay, this opens a page that contains a list of users. Okay, there's a lot of things here, and sorry, yeah, a lot of things here actually. And this opens a page that contains list of users permissions. Oh, I have to click the IAM. Okay, so I'm clicking IAM, navigating to IAM. Okay, it is okay. Basically, I think I'll have to create a project for that. Let's see what it says. Find the this opens a page that contains a list of users permissions. uh I am confused at this point. What did it say? It said uh click I am an admin. Yeah, I'm clicking on I am an admin, and I am, yeah. Then this opens a page that contains yeah, find the student. Okay. Probably I'll have to select project. I am really not sure what to do at this point. uh this is very acha, let's see. Find the student, quick labs username. uh okay, The principal column displays your matches that you signed in with. The name columns, this this is my name column. This is my name column, which displays student, you know, your ID. And the role column, role, this is my role column, that displays editor, like how you are performing, actually performing as. Okay, which is one of the three basic roles offered by Google Cloud. Okay, so basic role set project level permissions, and unless otherwise specified, control access and management to all Google Cloud services. Oh, okay. The following table pulls definitions from the roles documentation, which gives a brief overview of viewer, editor, and owner role permissions. Okay, so this basically the role names and the permission, what permission they have. Okay, so for viewer, they have only read-only access that do not affect state such as viewing but not modifying, of course. An editor is basically you can modify things. And owner, all editor permissions. And what is it? Acha. All editor permissions and permissions for the following actions, like project and all, billing for a project, etc. Okay, so as an editor you can create, modify, and delete Google Cloud resources. Okay, however, you cannot add or delete members from Google Cloud project. Okay, so grant an IAM role. So in this section, you make a simple IAM update to grant a principal the viewer role on the project. Okay. So I am really not seeing uh I am really not seeing any option like that. I'll have to create a project. I'm really not sure what to do at this point. It's not clear actually. Select a project. Let's see this one. Okay, okay, now I have got these things. Let's say that is my project. Okay, and okay, so basically this is my role, owner, editor, and my name AJ, student, this one. Okay, so এইটার কথাই হচ্ছে বলছিল I guess, so AJ, student. So find the student username, so AJ, this one. Okay, now I've got it. So student, the principal column, this one. And name column displays this is a student, and the role column is editor. Okay, fine. Now click on, wait, hold up. Contains this page, this opens a page that contains. Okay, what I'll have to do is now the following table pulls definitions from. Okay. Okay, now we will see how to grant an IAM role. Okay, so for the intern I acha, let's click on grant access, and in the add principals, enter an identifier for with that student things. Okay. Cancel. Probably I'll have to uh copy it. Yes, let's copy it. I'm copying it. Then brand access. Why it's not working? Hold up. Damn, this is not working. Why? No, 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 no. This is why this is a problem like this now. Wait, so in acquisition error identifier from the I'm confused. In the admin section error identifier. Wait, let me see. 04. So let's copy this one. Let's copy. Okay, I'm copying it. And this. Why it's making like this? Okay, now I just copied it. Now I'm pasting. Paste. Okay, assign roles. Acha, from the select a role drop down menu in the assign role section, is a assign role section. Search for viewer, then click viewer. Okay, let's. Okay, viewer. Where is the viewer? OMG. Uh, is there any option? I cannot see anything. Uh, select a role. You can assign roles there. Okay. In the assign role section, search for viewer, then click viewer. Okay. It it should have viewer. Can I type VI? No, I can. Oh, I can type. Yeah. VIEWER. Okay, viewer. Okay, and then click save. Okay, now I'm clicking save. Now updating the policy. Okay, so here, uh, see, I just created this one, I guess. Yeah, 10. Last day. No, 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 no. I just created this one actually. Viewer. Okay, so I've clicked save. Now verify that the principal and the corresponding role are listed. Yeah, these are listed in the on the IAM page. Okay, so I have successfully, so basically now we have successfully granted an IAM role to a second student account. Cool. Okay, so you now encounter a unique feature called activity tracking that assesses completion of a task. Okay, as you complete tasks and verify these with check my progress tests, notice that your score increases in the box in the upper right corner. So this scoring determines lab completion towards accomplishment of badges. Okay. So click check my progress to verify the objective. Check my progress. Let's see what happens. Assessment completed. Okay. Test your understanding. Answer the following multiple questions. Acha. Offers quick access to the platform services and also outlines its offerings. I think it should be navigation menu. Yes, okay. So basic roles set project level permissions unless otherwise specified. Control access and management to probably true. Yeah, okay. So provides all viewer permissions plus permissions for actions that modify state. Okay, it should be editor role. Submit. Okay. So now our task 4 is enable APIs and services. So Google Cloud APIs are a key part of Google Cloud. So like services, the 200 plus APIs range in areas from business administration to machine learning and is all easily integrate with Google Cloud projects and applications. Okay. So APIs are application programming interfaces that you can call directly or via the client libraries. Okay, so API use resources oriented design principles. These are described in the API design guide. Okay. So when a lab provides, let me drink some water. I'm tired. Okay. So when a lab provides a new Google Cloud project for a lab instance, যখন হচ্ছে uh, একটা lab provide a new Google Cloud project for a lab instance, it enables many APIs automatically. So you can quickly start work on the labs tasks. So যখন তুমি তোমার নিজের Google Cloud projects বানাবা outside of the lab environment, you will have to enable APIs yourself. Okay. So most cloud APIs provide you with detailed information on your project's usage of APIs and traffic levels and blah 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 blah. Okay. Acha, on the uh okay, on the navigation menu, click APIs and services. Navigation menu. Where is the APIs and services? Okay, APIs and services. Then we'll have to navigate to library. Okay. Mm, mm, wait. What are these? Okay, library. We're navigating to library. Then the left pane under the header category. Where is the category? Okay, category. We found this. Displays the different categories available like analytics, big data, databases, machine learning, maps, DevOps. Okay. Um, Different categories available in the API search bar. Where is the search bar? Search bar. Type dialog flow. Okay, let's type DIALOGFLOW and then click dialog flow API. The dialog flow description page opens. Okay, here is the description page, I guess. The the dialog flow API allows you to build rich conversational applications for Google Assistant without having to understand the underlying machine learning and natural language schema. Wow, cool. Now we have to try click enable. Where is it? I don't see any enable thing. I think I'll have to click it. Oh, I got this. Okay. Now I gotta press on enable. Okay, then click the back button in your browser to verify that the API is now enabled. Okay, it's still API. Okay, this is API enabled, which is status enabled. Okay, done. Then click try this API. Where is the try this API? Mm, Where is it? Acha. A new browser tab displays documentation for the explore the is in and close the tab when you're finished. Oh, here is the documentation. See, this is the documentation. Uh, okay. There are a lot of things here. Oh, lot of things. Wait. Okay, let's figure out together. Uh, try this API. Explore the closer when you're finished. Okay. Um, okay. And we were exploring this actually a lot of things. Lot of things. Okay. So, let's cancel. Okay. So, when we have closed the tab, okay, to return to main page of the cloud console, navigation menu, okay, navigation menu, then cloud overview, okay. So, okay, click check my progress to verify the objective. Okay, so these are my project name, number, ID. Okay, lot of things. My API. Okay, so check my progress. Okay, so if you're interested in learning more about APIs, refer to the Google Expo directory. Hands with the tool. Okay, test your understanding. When you start a lab, you need to enable APIs in your project to start working with Google Cloud. True. False. So when I start a lab, I don't need to actually enable APIs in your project to start working with Google Cloud. Okay. So 5, end your lab. So when you're finished with the lab, click end lab and then click submit to confirm it. Okay. Give the lab. Okay. Uh, Congratulations. In just 30 minutes, you developed a solid understanding of Cloud Console and the platform's key features. You learned about projects, roles, and the types of service the platform offers. You also practiced with, okay, we also practiced with Cloud IAM and the API libraries. Okay, so they are suggesting me to take the next lab. Okay, I really don't know what I'll have to do next. Is it done? Wait. Okay, so this was it. So that was a really hands-on experience with with Google Cloud basically. Okay, so this is it.